Hello everybody, it's Brandon again. I wanted to show you something neat I was playing around with this morning. And so let's just get right into it. I talked in one of my other videos about how it'd be nice if you could run virtual machines on ChromeOS Flex. So someone said just install Gnome Boxes and there you go. So, where's my mouse? I installed Gnome Boxes. And I downloaded an ISO of the latest Fedora Linux, which is Fedora 36. And we'll give that a minute here. Now while we're waiting for it to boot, all I had to do is go to the terminal and type sudo apt install gnome-boxes. I'll put that in the description. But if you want to try this yourself, just know, I don't know if there's other prerequisites. I've done so much on this laptop, as you've seen on the channel. I've installed so many things that maybe there's something else I install that makes this work so easily. And if it doesn't just work out of the box, I can do another video exploring, what all did I activate to make this work. But just keep that in mind, because if you've watched the channel, you know I've done so many Linux things on this laptop. I've installed so many things. I don't know what else on here. All right. So, as you can see, here we are on ChromeOS Flex on my Asus L210M laptop. And we got Fedora Linux up and running. This is a live CD, and now the performance on this isn't going to be anything usable. This laptop, in fact, it might have just crashed. This laptop only has 4 gigs of RAM and a very slow Celeron processor, and I only allocated 2 gigs of RAM to this virtual machine. And yeah, okay, it didn't crash. I guess it logged me out for some reason. But anyway, it works. Now I kind of want a faster computer to test this on, because I know with Gnome Boxes you can install pretty much any Linux distribution. You can install Windows. I think I've run Windows 11 on Gnome Boxes before. So this is really cool. This actually opens up a lot of possibilities for ChromeOS Flex, especially if you wanted to use this as your only operating system. So I'm not going to install it here. I mean, as I said, this laptop's so slow. Anything I do here is not even going to be usable. But I kind of want to buy a faster laptop now so I can try it out. So I don't know what I'm going to do. This is really cool though. This definitely opens up a lot of possibilities for ChromeOS Flex. So let me know what you guys think. I'll put the command in the description of what I did to get this running. Probably took to install this with all the dependencies, took about 5 minutes maybe. It was a slow install. But it clearly works. It's just really slow. But if you have a faster computer, it might not be so slow. So anyway, this is cool. This is good news. I talk about things that ChromeOS Flex would need for me to be able to use it as my primary system. And virtual machines is one of them. Because sometimes doing software development, I just have to use Windows. And so what I want to do is get a faster computer, test this out, see if I can run Windows on it. If I can, that's a game changer. I don't personally need Android. I know that's one thing holding most people back from using Flex, is it can't do Android right now. To me, that's not a big deal. But yeah, this is great. So I wanted to share this with you guys. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a good day. Goodbye now.